everybody, in this video I will make a nail extension using polygel and dual forms. I have a covered pin polygel, the double-sided brush and set of dual forms of 10 different sizes. First, we need to choose the proper sizes of the dual forms that will match with our nails. So you just take a size that you think will fit and check it. When in doubt, it is better to choose the bigger one, because if you will choose the one very small, you will have an naked walls which will lead to the cracks and broken nails. If it doesn't fit in the cuticle area, simply take some sharp scissors and cut the cuticle area. Now I prepare the nails. Remove cuticle, handle the nails using a 240 grit file. Keep in mind not to overfile nails, we are to make a rough matte surface only. Brush over dust and file a nail-free edge. Now I use an antiseptic agent. And then I need to apply a thin coat of primer and then apply the base coat. My base gel is liquid, so I want to apply 2 layers. After that I can remove the sticky layer. Be careful, do not touch the cuticle or the sidewalks. Cure for 30 seconds. Now squeeze polygel from the tube into the dual form and let's start with the application. I'm also using 70% alcohol from my brush, so it will not stick to it. But do not use too much, we don't want to mix the product with the alcohol when applying the polygel. Make sure you do the cuticle area thin as well as the side walls, and that you leave more product in the center because this is where the apex will be. After that, we will apply the dual form on the nail at 45-degree angle slide towards the cuticle and gently press. When fitting the dual form, do not forget that you do not need to press all the way. So it actually touches the nail plate, you need to leave some space for the apex. Now we need to clean the sticky layer, and we need to do this only underneath, because the top of the nail was covered with the dual form, so there was no oxygen contact. Now I need to file the nails. I need to make them the same length and shape. Usually I need to file a little bit along the cuticle area. Make sure you file in only the product, you are not touching the natural nail with this bit. And also file underneath to make it perfectly smooth. The last step is the top coat application. Cure for 30 seconds and that's all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.